How to add and embed Google Forms on Canva's website. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up Forms from your browser. So let me just go ahead and open Google Forms. And on the other tab, you can just open Canva alongside it. All right, so once your Google form is on, I'm just going to go ahead and simply collect this contact information form. I'm going to choose this form from the template, and once you do that, just make sure to publish it. But before you publish, head over to the settings menu. Just make sure that you're under responses. Make sure that the collect email addresses is turned off. And this one right here, limit to one response. This one is turned off as well because uh, the viewers required to sign in if this is turned on. So when they're just trying to preview the site, it's going to cause some glitches. So just turn this one off. Now head over to Canva. Go ahead and create a new design. So let's just tap on create, and then tap on create new. So let's just create the design. Once you've created your design, add a text. But before you do that, head over to your Google Forms, click on publish. So let's just copy the link, click on publish. And once you publish your form, click on copy link. Now you can shorten the URL if you want and then copy it. Go back to Canva. Now you're going to have to scroll down and go to apps. Right here, you're going to have to search for an app called Embed. And you'll find the Embed app right here. Click on the first one. Now you can just go ahead and paste the link right here and then click on Add to Design. Once you do that, it will automatically fetch the design from the link and embed it on your form. You can adjust the size of it like so. And if someone clicks on the link, they will be redirected to the form here. That's how you basically embed a Google form on Canva. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.